please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hi everyone, I'm going to use watercolors to paint the lady which I have drawn from the first post. This post will be the second of 5 posts. If you want to learn how to draw her, please go to the first post, then come back here to paint her. The next tutorials will create her standing bowl and handcraft her 3-dimensional party dress and accessories. You will need 1. A set of 12 to 16 colors. You will learn how to blend the correct colors. 2. A watercolor palette. 3. A number 4/0 round brush. Try to get the smallest round brush, as it's really helpful to draw the fine line on her and her face details. 4. A number 0 round brush. 5. A number 4 flat brush. Optional. 6. Some containers for watercolor painting, whatever you have. 7. Some kitchen paper. It's a good idea to dry your watercolor brushes when they are too wet. 8. Some tissue paper. It's a very good tool to draw the highlight areas. Step 1. Blend the right color for her skin and then test it on the side paper. Repeat the process until you are happy with it. When the brush has a rich pigment, I will start to paint the shadow areas. I'll paint her from the edge of the body parts. After that, gradually add a little bit of water to dilute. Then paint in the areas with a higher brightness. About the highlights, get a brush to wash away the color from it if it had some pigments. Paint clear water on the highlighted area and use the tissue paper to pat dry that area. It's better to shape the tissue paper into the highlighted shape that you want. Then dip the tissue paper on it. In the end, add a little bit darker color into the skin color and paint on the dark skin areas. Use this method to complete all parts of her skin areas. Step 2. Blend the right color for her slip dress and test it on the side paper. Repeat the process until you are happy with it. When the brush has a rich pigment, I will start to paint the shadow areas or paint the edge of her dress. After that, gradually add a little bit of water to dilute the paint. Then paint in the areas with higher brightness. From my design, I will keep the upper edge of her dress and the middle of her shoes white. Please follow your design to paint her dress and shoes. In the end, add a little bit darker color into her dress color and paint on the shadow areas. About the highlights, clean the brush and paint clear water on the highlighted area and use the tissue paper to pat that area. Use this method to complete all parts of her dress and shoes. Alright, I will paint some gray color in the middle of her shoes. Please feel free to paint your own. Here are some photos to show you that I tested and failed in drawing her face. Any experiments that I have done are very good chance to improve my drawing. Let's start to paint her face. After some test drawing, I figured out that the number 4 of 0 round brush is a very helpful tool for me to draw her face details. Blend the right colors to paint her nose and ears. Then draw her lips. And put dark red at both ends. And draw a little bit highlights. After that, draw her cheek on both sides. Then wash the brush and paint clear water on highlights. After that, use the tissue paper to dry the areas. After that, draw her eyes, eyelashes, and eyebrows. At this moment, I'm going to improve the shadow areas on her face. Finally, paint her hair and put some details on it. At this moment, we have almost done painting her. However, I like to make her look more three-dimensional. I'm going to draw all edge lines around her. I'm going to choose the same colors but a darker shade. This means of her skin, I will use her skin color darkened to draw her outlines. Also her slip dress and shoes. I will choose the dark color of the dress to draw. In the end, use a darker color shade of her hair to draw outlines as well. I have almost done the watercolor painting. If the drawing edge lines are a too challenging thing for you, you can skip it or practice it on another piece of paper until you are happy with it. Then you can come back to paint it later. Here I'm showing you what I have done. You can get the link below to send me your artwork. I'm keen to see your great drawings and paintings. Also, if you give me your permission, I hope I'm able to share your artwork with other people on 3howto.com. Let's learn drawing from each other. Thank you so much for checking out this course. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY courses with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.